Hi everybody, this is Joe with the Technology Closet, and I'm going to show you today how to easily import digital photos from your camera or memory card into iPhoto on the Mac. Every Mac comes with iLife Suite, which includes iPhoto, and it's a good consumer grade with a lot of features, video and photo management piece of software. First thing you want to do is if you stick in your memory card into your card reader or plug your camera in via USB to your computer, it should detect it and mount it. As you can see, Untitled popped up, and it automatically launches iPhoto. You can change that behavior in the system preferences and in iPhoto preferences. I would recommend leaving it as the default behavior when you insert a memory card or your iPhone or anything that has photos on it. iPhoto will launch automatically. It just saves you a step. Once you're up, you will see it'll automatically go to the device that's inserted, in this case the Untitled memory card from my camera. We can add an event name, and we're going to call this Lazy Dogs. Okay, some pictures of a couple of my dogs. You can leave split events on, and the only option here is to import the three photos. Now, if you wanted, by default, it's going to import everything. If you wanted, you could highlight on individual photos by holding down the Shift key and just clicking on each one that you want. And then you can import selected, or you can still import all three. I'm going to go ahead and import all three. It'll go ahead and do the import. Okay, now it's going to ask you what you want to do. Delete the photos from your camera or keep them. If you're talking about downloading these from your iPhone or your iPad, most likely you have those photos, at least the photos part, already on PhotoStream. So you actually have a backup, but it's safe unless you want to keep them there. It's safe to let iPhoto remove them after the import process. For digital cameras, I would say leave the photos on the card, so keep the photos in this case. And when you put the card back into your camera to go take more pictures, go into the camera settings and actually format the card. That's the best way to keep the card, to reuse the card each time. Just go back into the camera and format the card. Don't worry about deleting them while you're on your computer. This way also, if you have something go wrong between the time that you imported them right now and the time you go to shoot more photos with it and format the card, and you need to recover those photos back to your computer, you have them on the card still. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and eject it from iPhoto and make sure it's ejected from Finder, and it is. So now we can safely pull it out of the card reader. And that is basically all there is to importing photos into iPhoto from your camera or from your memory card. Now, there's another way you can get get photos in there. If you have photos that are already on your system in a folder somewhere, that's a simple drag and drop operation. I'll demonstrate that a little later, but this was basically just getting them from your card or from your memory card or from your camera into iPhoto. Thanks for watching.